Hello, beautiful people. Sorry I can't be with you today. We are in the Writing is Freedom American Lit, and you guys are finishing your essay today. So as you guys can see, your final draft is due today, and we talked about how do the preamble and statement from the Declaration of Independence impact how we think about injustice in our nation. Last week, today you're just jumping into your final draft. So remember to use this checklist to guide you as you're going through. Your final draft needs an introduction. You make sure that your claim is clear, that you're choosing one, not the other. Make sure your claim states that you think the Declaration of Independence or preamble is more compelling. You make sure that your conclusion is going to also clarify that. You're going to need to have organization that makes it clear that you are going from your claim with evidence, announcing and denouncing a counterclaim. And then make sure that your words that you use make it really clear what you're saying. Then make sure that you develop that claim and counterclaim clearly by using facts, details. That's where your evidence comes in. Make sure that you have adequate examples so that it's clear where you're going with your claim and that your claim is proven. And make sure that your word choices and rhetorical devices are used effectively. Rhetorical devices like we talked about with that one assignment. And then establishes and maintains a formal style. Make sure that you are not using any contractions like can't, won't, doesn't. Make sure that you are capitalizing words that need to be capitalized and that you are avoiding I as much as possible. You're welcome to use I in your claim since that's how we set it up. But after that, try not to use I. Just state things like they're true. So instead of saying, I think the preamble is so important, then say, the preamble is so important, right? Just get rid of the I think part so you sound confident and sure. And then lastly, make sure that you are using today to edit, to make sure you have periods and commas, make sure that your sentences make sense, read through them, and feel free to have somebody else read through. Those of you who are really far along, I was able to give you comments. So check your draft for my comments. If you like them or if you just want to hide them, just click the check mark and then the comment will go away after you've hopefully used that comment to improve your paper. So I apologize I can't be there today, but I really like you and do your best. Make sure to get that turned in by the end of the day. If for some reason you can't get it turned in by the end of class, just shoot me an email. Give me a reason why, and I should be here by the end of the day today. So if you want to check in with me and ask me questions at the end of today's school day at like 3:20, 3:30, just come on by my room and I can help you out. Okie doke. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow if you're taking SAT or tomorrow afternoon online. So see you then. Miss you guys.